Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world.
What's up guys, it's some time since I did a talk video on the channel. I was caught up with something, but since I got some time, I thought of that I will do a talk on this interesting banknote that I have added recently. So at least some of you must know what you are seeing in front of you is actually a folder of Armenian 500 dirham that was issued in 2017. Now in this video I'm going to explain everything about this folder, this banknote, its interesting features, why did Armenia come up with such a kind of banknote and everything. So without skipping, watch the full video, and if you are watching the channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get every video that is uploaded by the channel as a notification and you will not miss any such interesting video. So without wasting much time, let's go into the video. So at least some of you must know Armenia is a country in Asia which is having one of the oldest communities of Christians in the entire world, and in 2017 they have issued this particular banknote along with this folder in order to commemorate the Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark is a biblical story in which the God created a flood to wash off the entire creatures in the world, and Noah was saved. So he built an ark and put all his family members and pairs of animals, and he survived the flood through the ark. And the ark got settled in Mount Ararat, which is considered to be a part of modern day Armenia, Turkey, but in the Armenian borders. So Armenians take a great pride in that, and it is kind of national heritage site for them. And in 2017 they issued this beautiful banknote along with the folder in order to commemorate that. Like you can see in front of you, it's like really amazing. So I'll be going through element by element in this particular banknote. What all are this, like as you can see in behind, all the details are given. So let's start with the entire folder in itself. So as you can see, the folder is like of three wings, like 1 2 3, and in the first wing, in the cover, you can see Noah's Ark is written and collector's banknote is written. Now this is very important to consider. This is not considered as a circulating legal tender in Armenia. This is specially issued for the collection purpose, like commemorative coins and everything. So some countries issue commemorative coins for like collection purpose, even for general circulation, some for collection purpose, banknotes for collection purpose and general circulation. So this particular banknote was issued specifically for the purpose of collection only. This is not used like in general trade in Armenia. That's why it is like written collector's banknote here. Now as you can see, the first page is having a like very accurate and beautiful cut just to show that particular beautiful portion in the banknote in an apt way. And in between there is a wing which is having like a transparent window in which you can see the banknote. The overs and reverse can be seen, and in the other page the entire Noah's story, the Ark's story is like given, and the details of this whatever it is given, like the picture, what is this picture, what is the meaning of all this thing is also given here, and the overs and reverse, the image details and everything is given in this. And in the back they have given the kind of like features that is used in this particular banknote, like rolling star LED, rolling star galaxy. These are like security features that is like used in this particular banknote. And below that they have given like the physical features of this banknote, like the size, nominal value, date of issue, designer, printing company, brochure designer. Brochure means this particular like folder designer and everything. And here you can see it is written Central Bank of the Republic of Armenia. So this is like an actually interesting piece that can be added to the collection. Now let's look into the banknote in itself, because that is the main element of this particular set of things. So you are seeing here is the 500 dirham collector's issue banknote, of Armenia. Now, this is not like a private issue, this is an official issue from Armenia, but it is not for like general circulation, it's only for the collection. Now, the physical features of this banknote are the size is 140 into 76 millimeters. The face value is 500 gram. This note was issued in 2017. The designer of this note is Sorin Simeon, and the banknote is printed in G&T GmbH, a German printer which is like very famous for printing banknotes. And as I said, the entire brochure was designed by Araman Utrian. So this is the physical features of this banknote. Now the interesting thing about this banknote is the kind of like security features that they have used, which even like enhance the beauty of the banknote. Like it is considered as one of the world's most beautiful banknote. So let's look into the features one by one. So what you are seeing here is a green to gold rolling star LED reliquary, which is like actually like if you are taking this particular note, if you change the direction, you can see that the color is changing to green to gold and everything. So it's like a very beautiful kind of window that is added to this banknote, which enhances the security as well as the beauty of this banknote. And around that you can see a like very beautifully carved window image, so that's like enhancing this particular thing. Now when we do a close-up, I'll show there are like certain kind of like images even inside this that are like sparkling. Here you can see the like serial number of this banknote. Here the value of the banknote and everything is given. Here the details of the Armenian bank, everything is like given in a very nice manner. And here another like security features, which is a security foil with 3D image of Noah's Ark, which is like kind of semi-transparent also. Like then there is actually a Rolling Star Galaxy kind of security thread, which is like showing AMD 500, which is the face value of this particular thing. Now here you are seeing a image of a monastery. This is actually the image taken from Frederick Parrot's like journey to Ararat. So Frederick Parrot is a German, like Baltic German naturalist, who is considered as the first person who led to the like exploration of Mount Ararat. He reached the Mount Ararat summit and everything. So this is taken from his book, the picture. And backside you are seeing the backside image of Mount Ararat. And here you are like seeing like Central Bank of Republic of Armenia is also written here. The number of the banknote is again given here. So this is like a very beautiful way of like depicting thing. Like the other side, if you are looking again, and a like very beautiful way of like showing things. So in the back side of this particular banknote, what you are seeing will be like a image of Noah and his family. So this is actually taken from Jules von Carolsfield's painting. So he is a painter from Germany who was specialized in biblical painting. So this is Noah's Living Ark. The painting's name is Noah Living Ark. That's his painting's name, and this picture is that from his painting. And behind that you are actually seeing an image of Mount Ararat. So here again the Mount Ararat has a different view. So this is another interesting thing. Again, animals are also seen here in both sides. The face value of this particular banknote is like shown here and here, and Central Bank of Armenia. So these are like the physical features as well as the meaning of the like things that is in this banknote. Now another two things that we will do now is a closer look into the images, so that you will get a better idea of the components of this banknote, as well as we will do a UV light analysis to see what all are the components that are like hidden and can be seen only through the UV light analysis. Now you are seeing the like close macro look of this particular banknote. Like you can see how beautiful this banknote is from this particular like segment itself. Like you can see the color changing window and everything. Even from the like other points, you can see the beauty of this banknote here. Like you can see, and the pigeon carrying the olive branch and everything. everything is given in a very beautiful way, and even in the designs that is given in the numerals, all of them are like very beautiful in nature. Even the other side also, they are having like a very beautiful pattern like you are seeing here. So these are like the closer view of this banknote that is issued by Armenia. Like everything is given in a very beautiful manner. The designs, even like you can see a kind of like image of the front side in the back side also here. So that was a closer look of the banknote. Now let's do a UV light analysis. So as you can see, when the UV light is like hit on this particular banknote, what the main important thing is, in the center you can see a Noah's Ark in the like UV light ink, and 500 also written. Then there are like other parts which is also like coming in the UV light, like they are also like showing, but the important thing is this central part. Even in the back side also there are like certain like lines which is showing the UV light, which is only shown in the UV light. So yes, they have got a great UV light feature also in this particular banknote. So that was the story of the banknote. You have seen the closer view as well as the UV light analysis. I hope you like it. Now about the pricing. So in India, the banknote in itself is like available between 600 to 700 rupees. Like 650 is usually what I have seen in the market. And with the folder, this is coming to around 950 to 1000 rupees, in that range. So that's a price range of this particular folder in India, and if you people are like interested to add it, please do add it, because this is a very beautiful banknote and a good item to add to your collection. So that's the story of the 500 gram of Armenia along with its folder. I hope you enjoy this particular video, and if you have enjoyed it, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, so that they will also get to know about such interesting banknotes and coins in the world. So till meeting with a new video, bye bye.